Well, I'm meteorologist Vin Crosby from the Weather Show with Vin Crosby on YouTube, and the snow has finally arrived. Obviously, it has taken its time getting here. I'm over on Warm Springs Road over by East Junior High School in Boise. Just got done watching my daughter play a tournament in her volleyball, and it's much warmer inside, I'll tell you that. The wind's picking up here, probably sustained around 20 miles per hour with some gusts of 40, so there is a wind chill factor this morning, dropping probably down into the low teens and single digits at times. Why did the snow take its time getting here? We talked about it a little bit in my previous forecast. Back out in the Pacific Ocean, there's what we call an omega block. Looks like the Greek symbol omega. And we're on the far end of the trough, and that trough basically is taking its time moving towards the east, so it really wobbled a little bit more to the west down the coast. Lots of snow in Seattle, Tacoma, down through Portland. It's been a real winter mess in Oregon and Washington. Travel not advised. If you're going to the west, just cancel your plans. Trust me, you're probably going to be better off. But here in Boise, it's finally getting through. We had one little wave come through last night to provide that dusting. I really thought that we'd get into this last night and have about an inch on the ground this morning. That did not happen. But now we're starting to see the first band of snow come on through. Looks like for today we'll get this probably around, because you can see it's very light snow. It's fine, if you will. Not a lot of heavy water content with it. But I do see us getting maybe a half inch to maybe an inch and a half around Ada County, maybe in Canyon County, and then up in the foothills, obviously, it's going to be a little bit more. And then the system is going to send that little system I talked about yesterday as this big storm system rolls down across much of Oregon slowly. That's the key, slowly going on in through the day today and tonight. Then we're going to see a little bit more energy. Then we're going to see a little enhancement of the snow, and I think another 1 to 2 inches is possible again tonight. So as we go throughout the day tomorrow, this system will push towards the east and maybe a dusting to another inch early in the morning, but I think much of Sunday afternoon will be fairly dry, with most of the storm system going down east of Mountain Home down towards the Magic Valley. So treacherous travel no matter which way you go with this system. As we go on in through Monday, another storm system is going to come very quickly on the heels of this one, and that's going to possibly dump another inch of snow down in the Treasure Valley floors. The temperatures are going to be plenty cold behind this system and lock in the snow on the ground. So I'm still wanting, look at this, my snow total here is nothing. I wanted an inch this morning to go cross-country skiing, and it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So this storm system, real slow moving, heaviest snows again in Oregon, eastern Oregon, back towards Baker City, Weiser, in the foothills and the mountains. But for the Treasure Valley, you know how it goes. The roadways you get like this, it's not terribly slick, but it's getting there. It's getting there. You can see my boots, no traction here. So we are going to get a little slick conditions on the roadways. Again, the wind coming in pretty brisk right here, about 20-25 miles per hour sustained, gusting to about 40. This again is over in East Boise, over by East Junior High, and the roadways are going to go downhill from here on in. So real treacherous travel today on the roads, just because of the little skiff we got. Roads are going to become icy as we go through the day. This week, cold air locked in, and there is a chance of another system kind of moving its way in after Monday, going into Tuesday, and then again on Wednesday. But these are little waves, not a lot of moisture with them, but every little bit will start adding up on the Treasure Valley floors. The one good thing this time of the year, the sun angle is getting higher, so if we do get any glimpses of sun, it'll help melt off some of the snow on the roadways. All right. I'm cold. I'm going on into the car. Just be safe out there today. Use common sense. Give yourself plenty of space in between you and the vehicle in front of you. And, yeah, be safe out there. If you don't have to drive, don't. I'm sure the folks after the tournament here at East Valley are going to come out to a surprise, because there was nothing like this here when we went in the doors this morning.